Be heard. That's the theme of this event, and that's the need for our industry to step forward and claim our rightful place, frankly, in the minds and the hearts and the consciousness of the opinion leaders and the lawmakers across this country, not just in Washington, but in every state capital across the nation.
It's incredible the impact that we have. We employ 13 million people in our industry. You're looking at $590 billion in gross revenues.
There's just so much we have to offer, and we have to help the opinion leaders and the elected officials really understand who we are, what we stand for, and how we are an enormously critical part of the fabric of this country.
You're a critical component of growing our economy, which is, of course, our principal objective here in Washington.
My task this morning is to give everybody a quick spin through some issues and logistics.
The purpose today is we really bring everybody up to speed on where Congress is on these issues that are important to our industry.
Card check is one of the things that we're kind of concerned about.
Taxes, immigration reform,
Paid sick days, and also the health care like everyone else.
Job creation is our #1 issue right now, because in a bad economy, when we're an industry that can create jobs, that's one thing government's got to pay attention to and be more involved with.
Whether you're reorganizing a small chain of restaurants and turning them into a billion-dollar empire, or you've just opened up a local eatery, you've created jobs where none existed before.
My favorite part of the conference every year is seeing the hundreds of restaurateurs get on the buses and go to the Hill, and we just kind of take that hill, we take the hill. This is democracy in action, and it's a wonderful feeling to see the messages that are being delivered today by our industry. We know are the messages that we believe the legislators in this country need to hear.
We have the groups from the various states go meet with their congressmen and their senators and tell them these issues and the impact of these issues and the consequences of the votes on these issues and how it's going to impact our industry.
They listen to you. They want your ideas. They want to know what we've got to say, because we've got a lot of good ideas.
No, I think they're representative of the small businesses all around the country that really employ a lot of people, and we need to encourage them, not discourage them by policies coming out of Washington.
I really feel that we're getting some traction and some things accomplished while we're here. You know, being with the National Restaurant Association, being the second largest employer, having the relationships that we have, they hear us. They hear us loud and clear. It really makes you feel good about what you're doing.
This conference is fun because I get to reconnect with people that I've met in years past. It's an opportunity for me to go in, talk to my senators, talk to my congressmen, talk about the opportunities that we're creating throughout the country.
Well, this is my very first conference, so this is an all-new experience for me, but I am just wowed by the support of the restaurant industry, and also even more by all the people coming together and just really making a difference for us.
Well, I think the education probably is the biggest piece we need to know, and I think that's what the National Restaurant Association has done, is brought all of the educational piece together.
You've got to get involved. You know, we have educational opportunities. We have opportunities for you to meet your legislators, bring them into your restaurant, and have them meet and serve with you.
The National Restaurant Association.
If you weren't here, you didn't get heard.
Be heard.
Be heard.